Hello guys, and welcome to my second tutorial about Blender. In this video I will explain the edit mode. At the moment we are in the object mode, but with tab we just get to the edit mode. If you forget the shortcut, you can also use this button down there where you can select any mode you want. So you can also click here on edit mode and you get to the edit mode. But I would use tab because it is much faster. And if you're working, you don't want to always go down there and select this. So tab is just much faster. And yeah. So now we see that we can select the faces. So not the whole object anymore at once, just every single face. We can rotate the faces if we select one with the right mouse button and just hit R for rotate. And now you can see that we can rotate this one thing and it will deform the cube. But if you wanna rotate, let's say, just exactly this way so that it goes up there, you need to hold click R and now press the axis you want, so in this case the Y axis, and then you can rotate it just on the Y axis like this. If we press S, we can enlarge or reduce the face. So as you can see, it is getting bigger or smaller. And you can also do this with a specific axis, like let's take the x-axis. Now it is just on the x-axis, and you can also drag the face around if you hit G. Also here, just you can also use the faces, or you can use not the faces, I mean the axis, or you can use this arrows to drag it around, or you can go with your mouse in this white circle and hold down the right mouse button, and then you can also drag it around. But what do we do if we only want to move the edge? Right now we can just select the faces, but if you have a look down there, you can see that you can choose from 3 different things. First, of course, the faces, the edges, and the vertices. And now we can just press this icon where the edge is orange, and now we can only select the edge and do the same thing with the face. So we can also scale it or rotate it or of course grab it, and also the same with the vertices. But you cannot scale it because it's just 1 point, so yeah, you can scale it. But you can also not rotate it, but you can grab it. And yeah. So if we switch back to object mode with tab, we can also rotate the object and the object stays the way we just edited it. So it just will be like this. Yeah, and if you want to undo something or go a step backwards, you can just hit Control and then Z, and then you can go back. So if you make mistakes, you can just undo it. So we can also add new sections of the cube if we select a face and hit E for extrude, and just drag it out. And you can see that there will appear new faces. And so we can just freely edit it however we want. We can do our own figures or something. Yeah, I will just make one real quick so that you can see what I mean. And I just delete this one. If I hit A to select all and hit X, and now faces, and everything is deselected. With if you hit Shift and A, you can put in new meshes. So I want to have a cube, so I just make me a cube. That would be it for this video, and I will tell you something about modifiers and show you some important ones in the next video. If you want to see more and you like this video, you are welcome to leave a like there, and I hope you will be there again with the next video. Bye guys.